Hey guys, it's Ada. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a tutorial since it's been a long time and I really wanted to get glammed up for you guys. We're doing lots of gold eyes, shimmery lip, and everything extra. So if you guys want to recreate this look, keep on watching. Our face with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and now it's just gonna be my foundation. Okay, so my foundation has always been the same. It is the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. I like to apply the foundation with a brush first, just to have just to set it all over. And then what I do is I take a damp beauty blender or a damp beauty sponge and I just tap it so I can apply it nice and smooth. Okay, I'm gonna add more foundation to my face because this is not enough. I have applied the concealer, so I applied it right here underneath the eyes and then on my chin. I'm also gonna do it on the bridge of my nose and then right here on the center of my forehead. Perfect. Let me just be real for you guys for a huge second. I haven't done a full beat and I want to say probably 5 months ago, so I'm a little rough. So if I'm taking my sweet ass time, it's because I am a little confused of where to start. Okay, I am very just about minimal makeup nowadays, so the fact that I'm going to go all in on this glam is gonna be a little hard for me. So if I take a little slow, you all know why. I am taking my time today. I have no rush. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I am gonna set. This is actually not Laura Mercier. It is the Makeup Revolution banana powder, but I put it in this because it is much better to apply on this case. So I did have the Laura Mercier, but I never threw away the case. We're just gonna set it underneath the eyes real quick. Okay, I'm going a little bit overboard with this setting powder. It's okay. I'm gonna go crazy, okay? Oh my god, I haven't used this dip brow in so long. Okay, we are gonna do this, guys. I am very nervous. I am not gonna experiment today because I'm worried that shit is gonna hit the fan. So I'm just gonna do the same things as before. You guys, the trick to doing really good eyebrows is applying it small bits at a time. If you just go in and just draw a huge line on your eyebrows, it is gonna turn really bad and it takes forever trying to fix it. So we're gonna carve. When I carve, I mean shape. So we're just gonna apply concealer on the bottom, just little dots, and then we're going in with a small precise brush, and then we're just gonna clean the edges. Look how nice this looks. Oh my god, I'm so proud of this. Okay, look how nice the bottom part of this eyebrow looks, and look how messy this one is. Dude, I love this. I'm so good at this. Okay, cool. We have hope, guys. Yes! Yes! They look even. We are gonna be doing a cut crease. Okay, we are gonna go in on this makeup. I have this gold, the Appeal liquid eyeshadow, and I really want to do this on the crease. Let's just do a very simple transition shade, like a little small smoky eye, but not too extensive. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna use a concealer to clean it up. Concealers are just my best friend. Change your plans, guys. We are doing a different palette. We're gonna use the Pure Festival palette, and I'm gonna do these 3 rows. I'm gonna go in with that darker shade where this curve right here on your eye. I'm just gonna curve it like so. What I'm doing right now is I want to try to make my eyes basically look like Cher, where it's like very hollow, you know, and deep. That's basically what I want to do. I will insert a picture right here. That's how I want to look like. I want to look like that. I want to look like Cher. I'm gonna go in with the maroon shade right here in the middle. I'm dabbing it a little bit on the red, tapping the excess off, and just going over that brown that we did. You just want to create a nice blend moving up. We are going to grab our precision brush. Take some of that concealer. Okay, this is like a make it or break it. So if you if you fuck this up, then there's no going back. Where your lid is, you're gonna basically cover the entire thing with this concealer. You know where you feel that bone right there? You wanna move it up to that point. For the best part, we're gonna grab this and we're just gonna go over it with this Appeal Liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, look how pretty this looks. This looks so pretty. Oh god. So now that is done, we are gonna go and do more a dramatic color right here and blend it out even more. That is down. Let me contour. Okay, Tarte Pro Glow. There's this palette right here, and I'm just mixing the two matte and shimmer, and I am just contouring. Loose powder that we have, dust the entire thing off. Now, we're not even close to being done with our face because we have a new friend today, and her name is Dragun Beauty. Hello. So we're gonna try this. I heard it's really, really good, but before I want to touch this, I want to finish my eyes real quick. So let me just do that. Discovered this liner. It's the Infallible L'Oreal, the super slim liner, and it's the best liner a liquid liner I've ever had. And then I'm using the CoverGirl Professional Remarkable. Basically, I buy all my shit from the drugstore, so like Target, CVS, but all of these products, the other ones that aren't drugstore products, I got them from this subscription called BoxyCharm, and I also get them from Ulta, and then I also got the Nikita Dragun palette from my best friend Steph. So these are the Ardell Wispy lashes. Best feeling is when you are able to get your eyelashes on with one try. My eyelashes look so good and my eyes turned out very, very good. I'm so happy about it. So now we are trying Dragun Beauty Transformation Powder. I've seen Nikita Dragun do both of these colors, mix them together, so I'm gonna do the same thing she does. Okay, I just dab this right here, take this up so it has that nice lifting look. Wait, this actually looks, oh my god, I'm actually very shook. Okay, let me do the smaller one and take this and bring it upwards. Wait, what? You guys, hold on. Let me look at this. Look how my face looks like it's lifted this side. It looks like it's like snatched and pulled back right here, and this looks normal. And I did put a setting powder on this side, but with the transformation powder and I put it here, look how insane that looks. This looks really, really nice. I'm actually very, very happy about this. This is really good. My face looks so snatched, it's insane. Wow. Okay, I think I'm officially in love. This is amazing. This is like the coolest product ever. It's very, very nice, and it doesn't look cakey. Like if you look closer to your face, it doesn't look cakey. You know when you put way too much powder on and you see the crustiness on your skin? If I look closer to my face, I don't see that. I am shook. Shook, shook, shook. I'm gonna grab and do blush. And this is all from the same palette, the Tarte palette. Now I am gonna do my contour lip. We're just gonna go very bold today. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Brillo. Apply that in the center. I mean, we already have like a lot of shimmer, but we need to put highlight on, of course. We can't forget that step. So we're just gonna pop that on top part, the nose, and the chin, and we are done. Guys, this is the finished look. Loved how my eyes turned out. I'm actually very surprised that it turned out this good, and the transformation powder is to die for. It's gonna be like my new go-to makeup that I'm always gonna carry with me every single day. But thank you so much for following along, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.